I am Vincent Chen, and these are my colleagues, Jeff Bush and Tim Parsons. Our goal was to create a tool for a logistics team for shopping for ship rates and document management. This will provide real-time rate comparisons, improve decision-making, and enhance user experience. I will now pass it over to Tim for introducing the technologies that we used.
Hi, I'm Tim Parsons. For our project, we wanted to create something that takes advantage of a few different of the InforOS tools that are offered. Three main things. First, we used RPA to load in a signed bill of lading, and then we attached that bill of lading through Infor document management to a Syteline shipment. Secondly, we created an API and an API gateway to work with Ship Engine in order to do some real-time rate shopping on a shipment. Then thirdly, we created a logistics workspace for the end user where they can take advantage of the two other tools that we created. And now I'm going to pass it on to Jeff Bush, who's going to perform our demonstration.
Thanks, Tim. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. So here we're taking a look at IDM. We currently do not have any documents residing here. Our goal is to use RPA to scan in this document, our shipment bill of lading, which is 110, and using OCR and RPA, bring that into IDM. So here's our RPA assistant. I'm going to go ahead and run it. As I stated, we're using the OCR activity in RPA to actually scan the PDF and pull the shipment ID out of the document. Once we do that, we then insert it into IDM. So we have finished. And now if we go back over to IDM, we can now see we have our 110 document. The attribute shipment ID has been populated with the 110 that the OCR activity used. And if we open up the document here, we can see there's our shipment bill of lading. The other tool that Tim mentioned is our new Freight and Logistics Workspace. The Freight and Logistics Workspace have two widgets. Each of these widgets was created using the Syteline form widget template. So right here are signed BOLs. This gives us a listing of all the shipment IDs coming out of Syteline. So if we go to our 110, we can then launch the IDM document with the click of that button. The second widget is the rate shopping using the Ship Engine API. So once again, we have a listing of shipment IDs out of Syteline. For this particular shipment ID, it is shipping from postal code 75226 and shipping to postal code 44113. If I click on the shop now, it's going to use the API to rate shop this order. It returns multiple shipping amounts for particular carriers and service types. This will aid the logistics team in making decisions on carriers to use and what service types to be most cost beneficial. So those are the tools that we created. Thank you and have a good afternoon.